guys.
Hey guys.
Today we're gonna.
You okay? You
Yes.
got your coffin out?
Today we're gonna play.
What we playing?
Don't press the button 4 again.
Don't press the button.
Yes.
Ooh. Okay.
But we always have to press it. So some.
Okay. Y'all know B always has 1% on her iPad. Hopefully this video makes it. You gotta cut your sound off.
Oh.
I like that music though.
I won! See? Wait. There.
How long do we have before your iPad actually cuts off on 1%?
Maybe
A
just.
couple minutes.
Yes. I'm on blue.
This is gonna be a short video, guys.
Ah, great.
So don't press what button?
The red button.
Okay, get on the yellow. Can you close this? How do you close that?
It's like this.
Okay, cool.
What?
Get on the blue.
Well, people been, but
Get on the red.
people been doing this. It's kind of like you're doing it.
Are you flying?
Yes. Everybody is.
So what button aren't you supposed to press?
Oh. It was. Get ready.
Fight. Oh my gosh. Oh man. You gonna try it again? Stay close to the light.
He's gonna die. He died.
Oh. Oh, that's not you though. You good.
Yes.
Stay close to the light.
I am.
Oh.
What? We're going. Are you here? Whoa!
Oh. Why am I so nervous? Man.